Hey guys, Brother Timothy Clark here. Today we are recording outside using my Olympus LS7 from Olympus America. Now this is going to be a rather interesting YouTube video. I do want to get this up on YouTube, by the way, folks. I'm waiting on a package to arrive, and I'd like to get its arrival in a recorded format. Don't quote me on it, but I believe my truck's coming.
Never been denied. So I'll lay down my head tonight.
Yep, I believe it is, folks.
Everything's gonna be alright. Oh, 'cause heaven's already been notified.
I thought so.
You've got burdens hard to bear.
Hey, how are you?
Hey. Hey, my name's Timothy Clark.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what number was there.
That's all right.
Timothy Clark?
Yeah.
Can you get it from there?
Yes, sir.
In front of you? Okay, got it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. God bless.
Fix what troubles you. That's just what my God loves to do. And that's why heaven's already been notified.
You can hear the truck driving away there. Curious. I'm gonna go and unbox this if I can. Little turn label there, I think. With that little thing there. Put that there. Alright, what we have in here is bunch of packing. And the core of the package is in this box. And it feels wow. That is sturdy. Woo! This looks real nice. That's a real nice looking mic.
Here's the book it goes to.
Wow. Alright, yeah.
There's the box back.
Okay, so in the box you get the microphone itself. It is a wonderful little mic. I was able to test it for about 5 minutes, and I'll tell you a little bit about that afterward. Also in the box you get the plastic clamp. Nice little clamp. If you ever want to replace it, you can. You get the book that talks about the microphone and probably how to hook it up and things. I don't know, I didn't even look at the book. You also get the microphone case. The case is a really nice little case. I highly recommend you picking up this little bundle. You can pick it up for under $100. And what everybody's wondering about is, does the microphone require phantom power? And the answer is no. Does the microphone come with an XLR cable? The answer is no. Does the microphone come with a little rubber screen type deal? The answer is no. The windscreen is built right into the grill of the microphone. Does the microphone sound good? Yes. Do I recommend the microphone? Yes. You can pick it up for under $100. And it is a wonderful mic. It is a wonderful little gem. It is the Sennheiser e835, the Sennheiser Evolution 835. And I highly recommend the microphone. And if you have any questions, get in contact with me and I'll do my best to answer it. I was only able to test the microphone itself for 5 minutes or so. The microphone is made out of stainless steel. It is very heavily built. I like the mic. It has a wonderful frequency response. We tried it on 2 different voices and it responded differently to each voice. So it'll do good on male voices particular. And I've talked to women and they say that it does good on female vocals as well. Based upon the test that I put it through, it did great. I'm sorry that I'm unable to provide actual sound demonstration, an actual sound demonstration of the microphone because my brother, James, routed the input wrong, so no demonstration. I'm sorry. Mistakes happen, so you know. But I do recommend the mic, and I hope this helps somebody out there. Maybe to help answer a question, or if you want sound samples of the microphone, I will have those up hopefully by the 1st of January of next year. So this is Brother Timothy Clark wishing you all peace and blessings in Jesus' name. Take care and God bless.